been doing a lot of decluttering in my room, and I'm not completely done, and this might not look a lot of changes from maybe my previous videos or whatnot, but I have drastically cut down the number of plants that I have in here. If you've seen my decluttering my plants, Mary cutting my plants video, I have significantly cut down from that video since. And as you can see, for my table, it's not filled with plants anymore. It's just the birds of paradise. I don't even have my humidifier here. It's over there now, and I could actually use the desk to do some work. The only area that I did keep is the propagation stations, because I am growing some seeds in here, and put some plants as well there too. And I took out so many plants from here. I used to have two tables on this side, and that one is now my new side table. I took out the drawer or the side table that I have in here, and this is still my plant shelf. I took out some of the plants that I had in there and brought them downstairs, but I am still trying to get rid of all of these plants. And my closet, I basically have my closet, so I'm thinking of putting some closet drawers over here, and also get rid of a lot of the stuff because I still have some junk over here. That's my ring light over there, and some of the stuff up here. And I might get rid of this one. I am not sure yet, but as you can see, this one is broken. This one is also broken. So, I mean, that's IKEA furniture for you. So, I am trying to get rid of those, but yeah, it's kind of helping me with my headspace that the stuff are getting decluttered in my room. And hopefully when I do my spring collection video, it would be like not perfect, but already arranged the way that I want to. Hi everyone, so today is March 5th, Friday, and I'm about to get my first shot of the COVID vaccine. At least I think I'm going to. I was able to set up an appointment this morning, and it's scheduled for 3 p.m. today, and I'm not really sure if we'll be able to get it, but our appointment was confirmed, so we're heading there now. I'm heading with my sister, and we'll see, and hopefully we actually get the COVID shot. And I'm also gonna stop by IKEA to see if they have any planters, and I might need a closet organizer. So yeah, so it's going to be a good day. March is off to a good start, a lot better than February.
It goes on and on and on. Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone. Dreaming about the things that we could be. So it's gonna be forever. You already know. That's a real me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late now to say I need a one dance? And then we start to dance, and I'm singing like, oh, I want something just like that. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Oh, I said I feel it. Duh. I want you to be happier because I'm happy.
So I got vaccinated. I got my first shot. It was the Pfizer one, and I can't believe that we actually got vaccinated today. And yeah, I wasn't able to go to IKEA afterwards because there was a delay in the line. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, but that's okay. And I'm gonna come back for my second shot at the end of the month. So I'm really excited. I hope you get yours too soon, if not already. But yeah, so happy. Hi, so it's the next day after I got my vaccine. There's a little bit of soreness on my arm, but other than that, I don't really feel any side effects. And as many of you know, February wasn't just a good month for me mentally. And honestly, if you are on the fence of getting the vaccine, the serotonin level boost alone was worth it because I feel so much better. I'm not saying the vaccine itself did that, but the mere fact that knowing I already have the first shot of the vaccine and I'm going to get the second one, I don't know, it feels just like things are finally getting better, and you know, you can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, and knowing my family is getting it, and I know some of my close friends have started to get it as well. So yeah, so just like things are looking a lot better, even if not everything is all good yet. But yeah, so I am going to go thrifting and check out a few shops for my next week's video. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a vlog thingy, not do a tutorial video for next week, and let's just see what happens. Yeah, I'm going to Goodwill, drop off some donations, and then stop by maybe at Ross and Marshalls, see if I see anything good, and then of course at Lowe's and check out the plans that they have for this weekend. All right. There was too much noise. I'm just gonna do a voiceover, but I've noticed there's a lot less basket options at Goodwill right now. But I did pick up this one. I'm gonna use it as a hanging planter. That bag is so cute, but knowing myself, I'm not really gonna use it. This one makes a good planter, but it's not my color. I do need an organizer, but I don't think I'm gonna get this one. This one is only $2 because it's Lavender Tag Day, but it's essentially a trash can, so I didn't get it. But you know, it's good to have a composting bin. And this one was such a good find. I was so tempted to buy it, but we already have so many pots and pans. But it's so my color with the gold hardware too, and it was I think only $22 and was a complete set. So that one was such a good find. This baby mason jars, I did end up getting them all. They were like $1.99. And this curio glass cabinet, it's good, but I don't think you can use that for a greenhouse cabinet since it's also made of wood. This one is a light clamp that you could use and add a grow light to it for your plants. It's pretty cheap. I think it's $4, but I ended up not getting it. I like this frame. I love the coat on it, but also didn't get it. And a cookie jar, literally. This one is marked down for $6. Focus. Okay, so this one's marked down for $6, and could use it as a plant basket. Cute plant stands. Okay, so this folds out like that. I wonder how much it is. I'm not sure if that's worth $30, but I've seen it go for like $60 at Target. This one is $20. Here we go at the planter section. Let's see. This one is plastic. Now this one's kind of cute. $5.99. It has a drainage hole. This one's cute as well. This one too is $5.99. Honestly, a little bit expensive for me, but it's cute. $5.99. Alright. Some blue ones, not really my style. Bird houses. Fake plants. I've been meaning to get some of this dried flowers, dried grass stuff for the bathroom. But this one might be too big. Yeah, something like this, but this one is too big. Find something smaller. This one is cute for propagating. It's only $5.99. So are this ones. You get a black, a pink with a green neutral tones. I think I like this one the best. And just white. And you have a bigger one, like white and black. This one is $7.99. And this one, I can't even check. This one is $14.99. These are good planters. It's two. You can hang it on the wall, and it's $20. So that's an option if you like to hang plants on the wall like I do. That's actually pretty good. It's gonna look like that. Music's so loud at Marshalls, I might get copyrighted, but I could use this organizers for me. I think those are good. Or should I go with a weave basket, or is this look over now? I don't know. I feel like this one will be a little bit sturdier. We will see. This one's cute. I've never realized how popular this Raiden stuff is until TikTok told me. And this one is $20. It's cute. I don't really see the hype, but grow through what you go through. That seems to be appropriate for me. Kind of want to try this out, but people are getting like the Revlon one. I don't know how much this one. So this one's $30. A little bit pricey. Organizers. I have this book. I got it off a book swap. I don't even know what it's about, but I thought it was just like good decor. So I found this is a lot smaller. It's $11 clearance. I want focus, but I don't know. I might get it, maybe not. I'm gonna go to Ross and then Aldi. They don't have much. They got like gardening gloves, pruning shears, trowels, some hose, but you can see it's like empty. They have some of that, and just all the planters that I saw, and this plant stand, which is cute, matches the one that I already have, but it's kind of expensive. This is $20, that one is $17. So this one's the same price as the one I found at Marshall's, but that one has like lining. This one doesn't. This one is $25, which is a nice plant shelf, but I don't know if it's $25 plant shelf. Some fake trees for $25 each. Chick-fil-A is so efficient, like they should run any COVID vaccine sites, because the line was like wrap around and it's like barely 30 seconds. They already taken my order, and I'm just like trying to get in line to pick up my order. Yes. Thank you so much. Like, see, they got my receipt, and he knows my name. So I didn't really find anything at Ross. I didn't get anything there. At Aldi's, I just picked up some green beans for my dog. At Marshall's, I did see a planter that I could use for my anthurium, but it was $6, and I'm not really too in love with the pattern of the planter, so I didn't get that. But I did get a couple of like personal item stuff at Marshall's. I'll be doing a haul when I get home, and after this, I'm just gonna go to Lowe's and check out what plants they have currently. I haven't been plant shopping for a while. In February, I only got one plant, which I picked up at a grocery store, which is like a pink polka dot plant. But other than that, I haven't really been plant shopping even online. And the thing is, like, and I mean, if you've been watching me for a while, or even just like a few of my past videos, I am like in the process of decluttering my plants, so I'm not really into buying plants right now, but we will see. Yeah, so I started replying to comments again. I know I haven't been replying in comments for a while, and I didn't realize how much of my mental breakdown I captured in my Marie Kondoing plants video. So thank you so much to everyone who showed their concern and reached out to me either through my comments, my Instagram DMs, or even via email. Like, I really appreciate it. And I know I haven't caught up fully with all the comments that I've gotten, but I'm trying, at least with my most recent videos, to be replying to comments as promptly as I can. Oh, my order's here. Yes. Thank you so much. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and head to Lowe's. See, they have their sheds out, and they have like some of the stuff out already in the garden. So they have some of the stuff out already, but there's still like plants that are evergreen, you know. I don't think they have the summer ones yet, or even the spring ones. This is how I know spring is starting. They have the hyacinths and the tulips and the daffodils out. Tulip. You still have a lot of them in boxes, but look at this one. You know, Ficus repens variegata. This one is such a highly variegated philodendron basil. A Tradescantia, like ferns here, pothos, There's like some more ferns and petunias here. And some more over here. And a lot of live trend stuff. I don't know which one they have. So this one in the box is just like Ficus lyrata. But the other ones don't have any names on them. So the one they have out is the begonia. We always get these ones. I don't know who buys them in my area, but apparently they buy it a lot because we always have this in stock. Another really good philodendron basil. And the one they have mostly out is still pothos. So like some tradescantia over here and like a philodendron lime. Some more of this angel wing begonia. Pothos, ivies, money tree, a larger pot of the philodendron basil, but not as variegated. Some baby orchids, tempted to get some. I'm really into orchids right now. I love growing them. This one is a variegated lucky bamboo. I've never seen one of this before, and this is $20. Yeah, they have some of the vegetables out already, like the lettuces and some of the broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Yeah, see, like this 6 tray is $3.98, so it's worth it instead of like seeding it myself. They have the watermelon peperomia here, but it's like dead. It's probably gonna end up in clearance soon. Yeah. A lot of the same things. So the other lady yanked it open. So I suspected just a lot more begonias and ZZ ravens. I don't know who keeps buying this in my area, but this is all we get in our live trends collection. But you can see this one is blooming though. Yeah, and this one is just like air plants, and this is just petunias and ferns, and this one are just anthuriums. I think I'm gonna get the butter crunch lettuce and the red leaf lettuce. My garden beds are not ready yet, but I'm gonna get them anyway.